Where is your nose? Where is your eyes? How many eyes do you have?
2.
Where is your ears? How many ears do you have?
2.
Where is your lips? Where is your head? Where is your hairs? Where is your chin? Where is your cheeks? Where is your shoulders? Move your shoulders. Where is your belly? Where is your arms?
Arms.
Where is your hands? How many fingers do you have?
10.
How many fingers do you have?
10.
Where is your legs? Where is your knees? Where is your foot? Where is your teeth? Where is your tongue? Where is your neck? Where